Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market showing you a 2014 Freightliner Coronado daycab glider kit. It's built by Harrison. It's got a factory Detroit 12.7 liter engine in it, 13 speed. Miles are in the 4s, about 250 on overhaul. I've gotten it warm. Going to do a full walk around, show you old pressure, blow by, interior, frame rails underneath the hood. Let's get rolling. Pressure about 27, 28 on the low side. Pops on up to, I don't know, 55, 60 on the high side. It's perfect for a Detroit. Interior is nice and clean. Seats are in good shape. Got good rubber all around. Got a good cattle guard on the front too. Good body, paint, bumper. Ten aluminums, good wheelbase on a day cab.